In this video, I'm going to list 9 tools that you need as an affiliate marketer. Now, I've actually broken this video down into 2 parts, tools that I think are required and some that are optional or nice to have. But in this video, you are going to learn everything that I use to make money with affiliate marketing in 2021. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. And if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and now I want to help you. So as I mentioned, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a list of 9 tools that you could use to help grow your business. Now, the first 4 or 5 are required, or at least in my opinion required. The last half are optional, but they'll actually make your life much easier when you are first getting started. So let's go ahead and take a look at those required tools first. So #1, I'm sure you're going to say, if you've watched any of my videos, the #1 required tool is email marketing. Now, as you know, I am passionate. I love email marketing because that's where a bulk of your leads and sales are going to come from. If you're not collecting emails, you're not an affiliate marketer, you're a hobbyist that's playing affiliate marketing. What I recommend is that you start email marketing today. There are a number of ways that you can start 100% for free, but make sure that you get up and running after you watch this video. Now, email marketing really consists of a few different parts. It consists of a landing page builder or web page builder like ClickFunnels or GetResponse. It requires an autoresponder and a way to collect your email list. Now, back in the day, you'd probably manually do this with a Google spreadsheet, but autoresponders like ClickFunnels and GetResponse and Aweber and ActiveCampaign will take care of all of that for you. The good thing about email marketing and autoresponders is you set up your emails beforehand and they just get sent out automatically. So you do the work upfront once and then it just takes care of itself as long as something doesn't break on the back end. So that's #1, email marketing. #2 is actually web hosting and a domain name. Now, I firmly believe that everyone should have their own base of operations. When you are creating content on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram, you don't own those platforms. And so at any moment you could be kicked off or your traffic can be reduced. So what I recommend is that you have a website that you call your own where people can at least go to get the most recent news and information about you and your brand. Now, you can get started with a web hosting company like Bluehost for as little as $3 or $4 per month. I'll have a link in the description. It is an affiliate link so that you can learn more about Bluehost. #3 is some sort of lead magnet. Now, a lead magnet is something that you're going to give to your customer in exchange for their email address. Now, a lead magnet doesn't have to be overcomplicated. It can be a checklist. It can be a video tutorial or a video guide, a video training. It can be an ebook. It can be an infographic. Really, anything can be a lead magnet as long as your target audience sees value in that thing. Now, you can either create the lead magnet yourself 100% for free. You can go buy one from a PLR website, that's a private label rights website, or you can do a combination. But whatever it is, you need to have a way to entice your target audience to leave their email address, and a lead magnet's the best way. Now, the next thing I think you should have, and just about everyone has, is a smartphone. Now, the cool thing with a smartphone is a smartphone can do multiple things. It can be your mic if you're doing a podcast or a YouTube channel. It can be your camera if you're a blogger, and it can be your video recording, video capturing software if you want to get started with YouTube. But a smartphone of some sort is required for you to get up and running to start making passive income with affiliate marketing. The final thing that I think is required is a stable internet connection. You never know when you need to jump online and respond to an email or create a piece of content because you learned some new information. What I recommend is go out and get some sort of stable internet connection so that you can make sure that your income is stable. So now that we've talked about the required tools, let's talk about some of the nice to have things. Now, these things are luxury and you don't need them, but it's really nice to have once you start making some passive income. Now, my #1 recommended nice to have is a computer or laptop. It can be a challenge trying to create content with just your smartphone. If you have a computer or laptop that has an internet connection, that is going to give you a little bit easier time when it comes to making, creating, and uploading pieces of content. Again, a computer or laptop isn't required. It just makes your life a little bit easier. The second thing is a USB mic or some sort of external microphone. Again, you can use your smartphone, but when you have a mic like this one right here, it is easier to create content. You can clean up the audio a little bit. You can do a little bit of manipulation with it. It's just nice to have, and you're not solely relying on one piece of technology to handle multiple tasks. The cool thing about this microphone is it's only the microphone. This camera is only the camera. Whereas with the phone, it's trying to do multiple things, and that can kind of reduce the quality of everything. The next thing that I think is nice to have is bulk storage. Now, I have what's called a network attached storage, a NAS device, and that holds up to 16 terabytes of data. You may think that's an incredible amount, but when you start uploading hundreds of YouTube videos and you've got infographics and TikTok and Pinterest pins, that storage gets consumed pretty quickly. So what I recommend is you either use something like a network attached storage device, a NAS device, or get bulk storage from Google Drive or even Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services has, it's called S3 or S3 Glacier. That my nerd's coming out, but use bulk storage so that you're not consuming so much of your computer's resources. You never know when you want to go back and retrieve an old piece of content and maybe repurpose it for something else. So it's very nice to have all of the content you've created stored in one place. After bulk storage, I recommend having a dedicated camera. Now, over my shoulder is a camera that I used to use for pictures. I have a webcam here that is dedicated to only creating videos. So I recommend, again, it goes back to you can use your smartphone for multiple things, but it kind of degrades the quality of everything. Whereas I have a camera that's dedicated to recording. I have a camera back there that's dedicated to taking pictures, and I know that that's what that camera is good at. So if you can afford it, get yourself a decent camera so that you can take pictures and you can record your videos. And then the final thing that I think is nice to have is a budget for paid ads. You can start running paid ads for as little as $5 per day, but that will really help you grow and scale your business. For example, you could run Facebook ads for $5 per day, and you could collect 2 email addresses per day just running on $5 per day. At the end of the month, you have 60 leads. At least 1 or 2 of those leads is going to become sales, and you've already made your money back depending on the product that you're promoting. So here's a bonus tip for you guys. I recommend that you guys look into a softbox or lighting of some sort. If you're doing YouTube videos, you certainly want to make sure that your lighting is set properly, because poor lighting can actually have an effect on the way you look, obviously, and it can affect your leads and sales. You don't want to look, bland or, kind of fading into the background. So if you can afford it, and I think I've actually purchased this one right here for $79.99. If you can afford it, and invest in some sort of lighting for your YouTube videos. But I think having these nice to have items will help you really grow and scale your business much faster. Now, let me know in the comment section if you want me to. I can link to some of the things that I like and recommend in the nice to have section. Let me know if that's something that you're interested in. Now that you know the 9 best tools for affiliate marketer, I want you to click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a video training where you'll learn about affiliate marketing step by step. Click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.